I would like to continue by talking about other things that you can do with parenting. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new composition, and I'm just going to call it Stacking Rulers. And I'll click OK. NTSC-DV was the setting, that was good. And I'm going to go ahead and create several rectangles here. Create the first one. And this is good. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this about 5 or 6 times. Control or Command D duplicates the layer. And there you go, I have a total of 6. I'm going to make layer 2 a different color. Say red. Layer 3, maybe yellow. Layer 4, blue or so. Layer 5, magenta. On layer 6, maybe orange or so. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these layers. Control or Command A does that. I'm going to switch tools to the selection tool, and I'm just going to drag them all to the bottom. Now I'm going to move where the anchor point is. So I'm going to grab the Pan Behind tool, which is this tool right here, and I'll select layer 6, and that will have the anchor point on the left. Layer 5 will have it on the right. Layer 4 on the left. Layer 3 on the right. Layer 2 on the left, and finally layer 1 on the right. The last thing that I have to do is I have to start parenting these. So layer 6 will be parented to layer 5, layer 5 to layer 4, layer 4 to 3, 3 to 2, and 2 to 1. Now I'm going to select all of these layers and I'll press the letter R for rotation. I'll make this a little bit taller so that we can see it. Now I'm going to go ahead and deselect, and I'm going to go ahead and keyframe the first shape layer. This is shape layer 1. I'll keyframe it so that it rotates up. It takes all of the other rulers with it. Now I'll do number 2, up. Now number 3, up. Number 4, up. Number 5, up. And finally number 6, up. As you can see, these are like those old style stacking rulers. Furthermore, I can delete all of these. Let me go ahead and select all the layers and delete all of the keyframes. And I will reset the rotation so that they go back to where they were. I'm also going to have no parent, and I'm going to move him to the middle. Let me zoom out so we can see it better. I just want to move it to the middle of the screen. Now I'll do the same parenting. 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, and 2 to 1. And look what happens when I change the rotation of all of them at the same time. I start getting different geometric patterns because each layer is parented to the subsequent one. So I can leave it here, I can move in time a little bit more, and I can go the other way. And it's really cool. And the other way. And I can make all of these smaller. And there you go. So start thinking of parenting as a little bit more than just controlling layers. You can start making some really, really cool animations by using parenting.